Sngi baka Auxilium High Secondary School Nong Thamai karakhi ke Sngi Kynduh lang ki Kmie ki kpa jong ki khna school ki populeh ketika school kata ha ka arpun retrik unai luar arjar arpusan la Sakhi ru e jing shong shit ki khna school ki bela shimenta ke jing ele akai bapher katkum ka benta jong ki lem ka jing don lang ki Kmie ki kpa jong ki khna ki belawan ban Sakhi lang lembat uba Roni Walang MCS ubabat ru kum additional commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District. Haba ajing kren nak ni kesngi, uba Roni uloong, badai hadian lai post nem nak jing pot sniu banga yo ban wan long kong san ha ke skul badon tangki kentai. Nalor kata uloong, bangis ngau serong ban yoi bagi Kmie ki kpa kidap akani kamadan ban wan pet ye lagi Khun. Kani ka pin bangi don ke jing bat kershan ye lagi Khun, bakin he ken san ha ke jing start ke jing tip ke jing shampang, bat uloong ban nang yai beteng ke jing kershan, bat ai men sim ye lagi Khun, bat chisin kesngi ki Khun jong piru kin selongkum ki kongsan hakum kini kesngi Kynduh lang ki Kmie ki kpa. Nalor ke jingdon ki Kmie ki kpa lembat ki khna school rengkat kino hikai lai don lang ru ke sister Rosa Pingro Provincial Shillong Province kabala long ke sembut kongsan lembat kiwe.
Habahalenti nayat man kasmi don bakot yang atang bangang tip ya kata suki pasuki kat padang ya kisi dan sasufu shisha de baki kot yang sharam shani kia kata shani shatai kia helang kat baro ki kot yang señorita ki kot yang balik ikut yang punta señorita ikut jangan balik ikut yang punta.
the chairperson of this afternoon's program, Reverend Sister Rosa Benro, the Provincial of the Shillong Province, Sister Rashisha Nassar, the Honorable Principal of Auxilium Higher Secondary School, all the sisters, the invited guests, dignitaries, teachers, staff, the students of Auxilium Higher Secondary School, and in a very special way, dear parents. Thank you for having me as a guest in this beautiful institution that I have visited today for the very first time. Thank you for making me special. I must admit that when I walked into the school, as soon as my vehicle entered into the gates of this school, I found the school to be an oasis. The reason being that just outside the school gate, there is madness. There is traffic. There are people walking about, cars honking, etc. But the moment I stepped into the school, the aura and the peace that the school has given me, particularly in a job like mine, wherein day in, day out we have to deal with different issues concerning the state and particularly the district. It gave me that peace. And I'm 100% sure, dear parents, when you leave your children at the gate, you know that they are in a safe heaven. I request you parents to please give a big round of applause to the school management. I passed out from an all-boys school, and therefore to be invited into a school full of girls is always a pleasure. I was informed by Sister Principal that the boys are also here, but quite a few. The girls are still in majority. For when I was back in school, as an all-boys school, we always looked forward to be invited to all-girls school. Unfortunately, back then it was a taboo. We were not invited to any of the all-girls school. But my dream, I passed out school in the year 1997, so it's almost 30 years. My dream has finally been fulfilled today. Thank you, Sister Rashisha. I wouldn't delve much. You have done your best as parents, and I'm filled, brimmed with gratitude and pride. Despite what is happening around us, we still have parents who love their children to bits. We still have parents who have filled up this entire place to show that you love your children. I'm sorry, something with my voice. Congratulations, dear parents. Your children are so lucky to have you. They are so lucky to have you. God bless you even more. Continue with them in this journey. And I'm 100% sure, a decade down the line or 2 decades down the line, you might have one of your daughter or son standing here as chief guest on Parents' Day. Believe it, and it will happen, dear parents. And finally, I just have a very small message for each one of you, dear parents. We talk about career. There is a mad race for getting a 90% in everything. We push our children. We pull our children. We nudge them. We tell them, I want to see you as an IAS and IPS. And especially we tribal parents, doctor and engineer. When we even go for art stream, we still have the hope that they'll become doctors and engineers. That's how we have been brought up. My humble appeal to you, dear parents, keep reminding your children, grow up to be someone who is humble, who is full of love and full of compassion. Believe me, IAS, IPS, they will become. Doctors and engineers, they will become. But what is required at this age and time is to be good human beings filled with humility, love, and compassion. God bless each one of you. May the flag of this school fly ever high. Thank you. Reshiko.
I'm privileged.
A traditional warrior dance of the Mizo community, performed to celebrate unity, bravery, and victory in battle, and to commemorate victorious warriors. The term Sarlamkai itself means to go to war. They emphasize rhythms, community participation and storytelling through movement, often accompanied by traditional instruments performed at cultural festivals, state functions, and community events. Was traditionally performed during the harvest festival of Chapchar Kut, celebrated to honor the bountiful harvest. The dance involves a group of people sitting together, with one or two dancers performing with rhythmic movements while reciting the song. The lyrics of Chailam's song often narrate tales of heroism, love, and inspire, showcasing the unique traditions and values of the Mizos.
Jaku jak siangku gandeng, nasi dong nani